Okay.
Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is June 26th, 2022. And Bitcoin, as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency markets, can expect some big moves very soon. All right. I want to do something a little different today. All right. I typically look at Bitcoin as a proxy for everything else in crypto, as Bitcoin is the market leader, it has the most market dominance. But if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know I believe that we're in our alt season, okay? Something called alt season where altcoins, or some altcoins, most altcoins are pretty much front running Bitcoin's price action, okay? I feel that altcoins in general have put in a reversal pattern to larger term corrections, meaning they will now go into impulsive price action much before Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has only started putting in its reversal pattern. Okay, so that's my larger thesis. So in this video, what I want to do is two things. I want to highlight altcoins, right, at the expense of Bitcoin. Yeah, we're going to have a look at Bitcoin, but I want to highlight altcoins because I feel like the larger trend in crypto right now is going to be seen in altcoins, right? They're going to move most of the cryptocurrency market cap in the coming weeks. And I want to also show you the magnitude of the moves that are coming, okay? And I want to get started with Litecoin because I don't think there's a better example for what I want to illustrate, all right? If you're getting value, or if you perceive any worth in this kind of analysis, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, I'm going to get started on Litecoin. I'm on the weekly chart. I turned the log scale on to faithfully represent all of this price action from before Litecoin, before 2014, when Litecoin started trading, right, on the open market. And I put in 4 cycle waves, okay? And in Elliott wave theory, when I talk about cycle, primary, intermediate, I'm just referring to degree because everything is fractal. So, you can go on the 1 minute chart and start talking wave 1, 2, 3. To really label waves, you have to define your degree. The cycle waves are the largest degree for Litecoin right now, okay? So I'm looking at the 4 cycle waves that I put in. Wave 1, okay, a quick wave 2 zigzag correction, and then into a wave 3. It's a truncated wave 3 actually, and then a wave 4 that's complex, okay? And this complex wave 4 I'm seeing as a simple double 3 correction, a WXY correction. I'm just going to label it really quickly for you to see. It's something like this, a WXY, okay? So you see this right here has lasted a more than 4 years, okay? So if you look at it, it's about right here 1600 days. 1600 days in this WXY correction. People who wonder why Litecoin's price action has been so underwhelming and Litecoin is the butt of so many jokes, it's because it's been in a complex correction for 4 years. Okay? For 4 years. I put a tweet out on Twitter, obviously. You can follow me on Twitter. The link to my Twitter is in the description. And I said, Litecoin will be the surprise of the next bull market because most people won't expect Litecoin to go crazy. And I know this isn't a Litecoin video. It's what I said. I'm going to focus on altcoins, but I really want you to focus or understand the magnitude of this next move. This next move will basically break a 4-year trend of consolidation. Look at this. For 4 years, it's been up and down and up and down. If you look at Bitcoin, if you look at Ethereum, if you look at a lot of other assets, they've put in some positive price action, some like clear impulsive price action. The reason Litecoin has been so sleepy for 4 years, it's because it's been in a correction, a large complex correction. May 12th. This date is important throughout crypto. Most analysts should be talking about it, okay? If you've only heard it here, maybe, you may want to, whatever. May 12th is important. May 12th is important. Why is May 12th important? Because it represents our orthodox low, the capitulation of this trend, okay? I'm going to zoom into the daily chart because I already showed you the 1600-day complex correction that we've been in. And I want now to draw your attention to this. And I'm going to show you this very same trend throughout the crypto market, throughout my watch list. You can go in your own watch list, and I guarantee you can find this very same thing. I want you to test this out, all right? May 12th, remember that date. Look at this candle. Do you see that? That's a hammer candle. It's extremely bullish. It's showing strong buying pressure, okay? So there's a big wick to the downside, all right? That is a capitulation, all right? You have some volume, okay? It's a relatively large volume, especially if you look in relation to everything you'd gotten, right, for quite some time. It's relatively large volume. Okay, so May 12th gave you not only a strong hammer candle and large volume, indicating some sort of end of a trend. Okay, what was that trend? I am saying that May 12th was the end of that 4-year or 1600-day correction in Litecoin. And right after that, you essentially got a reversal pattern, and the reversal pattern that I continually mention on this channel is what Ralph Nelson Elliott called the AB base. So basically, anytime you get a large or even a small time frame, you can see it on any time frame. It's time frame agnostic, just like any other Elliott wave. In order to change the trend, you need to first put in a series of corrective patterns. And this is what we got here, right? And it started with this initial break of structure on May 12th. Boom, you got your A wave, all right? And then you had your B wave that went A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, okay? That gave you your big A, your big B, and then your pivot, your AB pivot, small a, small b, and your impulse started there, okay, in Litecoin, right there on that big volume candle, okay? So May 12th, again, I want you to remember that date because when you look at altcoins, most altcoins, not all altcoins, for Ethereum, for instance, I think Ethereum, like Bitcoin, has yet to put in this 40-day reversal pattern, okay? So that's why most altcoins are front-running Bitcoin and Ethereum. We are in alt season because they've already put this in. They are already starting their uptrend, their impulsive price action on a large time frame. Okay, this is why I wanted to zoom out today. This is why I wanted some context. Large time frame. Who cares what the minor and minuet waves are showing? You're in the largest reversal in the past decade for Litecoin, okay? So this is why it's massive. It's massive, okay? And now let's go into other altcoins because I promised to show you this throughout the market. Now, Bitcoin I've shown you for quite some time, and I've described already what I think is happening, right? I think in Bitcoin, what you're getting is the beginning of that reversal pattern, okay? You had it in this initial break of structure, and it's not yet finished, and I anticipate that we get a pump to around this orange line, which represents the 1, 2, 3, 6 of this initial wave here, okay? And because I think that this is a corrective pattern, I don't anticipate that it break the 1, 2, 3, 6 Fibonacci extension of this wave. So I'm seeing Bitcoin top around 24,000, 24 and some change, okay, before consolidating and starting to put in its big B, basically putting in its AB base or reversal consolidation pattern, as I call it, okay? This is why I'm not too concerned with Bitcoin, and you can expect most altcoins, not Ethereum, but most altcoins to put in some important gains, whereas Bitcoin will probably be consolidating or advancing just marginally, okay? Dodo, for instance, we're on the daily time frame. Look at this date right here. Look at this candle. I want to draw your attention to this candle, the end of this trend. I have my fifth wave put out here. Let's just zoom out really quickly just so you see what I'm talking about, because, you know, I want you to gain some context. So Dodo has never been in an uptrend on this chart, okay? Ever since it started trading in April of 2021, it's been in a downtrend, and I believe that this is some sort of zigzag, okay? A zigzag pattern, and a zigzag is essentially an A wave. Actually, it's not a zigzag here because this is a flat correction. This is three waves, okay? So 1, 2, 3 waves, and then a 3-wave retracement. Let's see. No, I think that this is a triple three, that goes something like this, okay? This is W, this is X, this is Y, this is X2 right here, okay? And then this is Z. Z obviously is, whoops, put in a WXY instead of a WXYXC, but you get my drift. I'm just going to put that again, W, X, Y, X2's up here, okay? And then Z obviously is your final impulse, okay? We all know if it's a double three, if it's a triple three, if it's a simple ABC, it doesn't matter. The last wave always has to be an impulsive wave, all right? And this is what I counted out here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got my impulse right here for my triple three in Dodo, okay? And that triple three lasted almost 400 days, okay? So 400 days of downside, okay? And when was the final capitulation of this downtrend? The technical, or as Elliott would call it, Ralph Nelson Elliott would call it, the orthodox low. May 12th. Do you see that? May 12th, you get a relatively large volume candle, larger than any candle that you had gotten in the asset's history to date. Do you see that? I just zoomed out to prove that to you. I'm not making this up. May 12th, you got a massive, the biggest candle you've ever gotten on volume, right? And you got a strong wick to the downside showing strong buying pressure. That was the end of the trend. Following any trend, to change the trend, the price just doesn't change and, do an about face. You have to put in a reversal pattern, or as Elliott called it, an AB base. This is your AB base. It lasted 40 days. This is your initial leading diagonal up and out of your correction, up and out of your reversal consolidation. So large time frame, we're on the daily. You can expect some crazy price action moving forward, right? It's 400 days plus your 40-day reversal. You can expect really strong price action to the upside, okay? That's Dodo. I hope you guys are seeing this. It doesn't matter the altcoin, right? You can use these basic concepts to understand what's going on in the altcoin market generally. Once again, reserve rights. You're seeing these massive downtrends, right? Here, I think it is a zigzag, right? And I actually put the Fibonacci extension tool to show you that your zigzag ended on 1618, which you expect the C wave of your zigzag to end at 1618. Okay, so you have your A wave here. I'm just gonna put it in for y'all. Guys, and if you're getting value, please like, share, and subscribe. I don't know anybody else who's giving this kind of analysis with Elliott wave or otherwise. W, right? Your 3 waves down for W. X is going to be your 1, 2, 3 wave move. Ends here. This is a pivot into your Y, your final impulse, right? Right at the 1618. Boom, right? And now from here, you get a pivot, or sorry, a reversal pattern, but instead of a flat correction, your May 12th, again, look at that. Not only in reserve rights is May 12th your orthodox low, but it's also your technical low. You literally never even came close to that low of May 12th. So you put in a zigzag reversal, right? So you made your A wave, your B wave came down to the 0.5 to 618 of that A wave, and then you put in an A, small A pivot, small B pivot, and now you put in your impulse. And right now, at present, you're in what we would call a bull flag, right? Impulse, consolidation in a triangle, a bull flag, right? That's what we call a bull flag. This would be the pole, right? And continuation. So it doesn't matter if this is an ABCDE barrier triangle, which it seems to be. Zoom the hell out. Zoom out. Like, notice where you're at. You're literally on the precipice of a huge price reversal from a trend that lasted 386 days. Again, you're seeing this throughout. And, people that ascribe to the 4-year cycle say, oh, we get bear markets and, you can expect 400 days down, 4 years, 4 years, 4 years, 4 years. And I think it's like 1 year drop and then 1 year consolidation or something. I don't know. But in any case, what I'm seeing with the charts is in Litecoin, I have 1,600 days. Obviously, it wasn't straight down, but of consolidation. But most of these assets have been down 300 to 400 days. Most of them 400 days. They've reversed or consolidated for their reversal pattern for 40 days. Expect big things and expect them very soon. Okay. Cardano, this is for me wave 4. Okay, this is a cycle wave 4 because I'm seeing this retrace right here that we've put in, and it's taken, let's see, from the top here to May 12th. And again, look at May 12th. Look at May 12th, my friends. 250 days, okay? 250 days down in Cardano. From the top here all the way down here to the capitulation on May 12th. You see that nice candle, hammer candle, very bullish, big volume. Again, May 12th is the date everybody should be looking at as the day that we capitulated the downtrend and we started putting in reversals. If you count, most of these reversal patterns have been going on for 40 or so days and they seem complete. You have your double or triple bottom, as most people like to call it, or a rounded bottom. Expect big things. Expect big things. Once we start to break out, don't be surprised if we get, double-digit percentage gains daily, or even close to triple-digit, because this is the type of trend that we're breaking. Okay, we're almost done. Telcoin, guys, and if you're getting value, please like, share, and subscribe. Telcoin, this is a cycle wave 2 correction. ADA wasn't cycle wave 2. It was probably primary wave 4 or something like that, right? If you have to be technically accurate, because it hasn't finished its cycle. I think you can see a complete cycle in Telcoin, actually, where you have this is a complete wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3. And I bet this is a very nice zigzag. If you took your Fibonacci extension tool from the top of this A wave to the bottom, retracement of B, you get 1618. Where do you get? Do you see that? Guys, I'm not making this shit up. I am not making this shit up. Look at that, 1618. Look at that, May 12th, right here. Your capitulation you put in your reversal pattern. All right, you get the gist of it. Kadena and Ravane, I'm not going to do, but you get the gist of it. Prepare for big things. Expect big things. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great Sunday. Bye.